Look up at the night sky, and one question returns again and again. Does the universe have purpose? Or is everything just the result of randomness, blind chance, and physics grinding away without any goal in mind? Two big ideas fight for the answer. On one side sits teleology, the view that things exist for a reason. On the other side sits randomness, the view that events unfold without any goal. Aristotle gave teleology its classic form. He said an acorn grows into an oak because the oak is its end goal, its final cause, built into its nature. For centuries, thinkers looked at eyes, hearts, and wings and saw design everywhere. If a watch needs a watchmaker, they said, then surely a living body needs a designer too. Then Darwin arrived and changed the picture. Natural selection could shape complex organs from tiny variations, no designer required. Blind mutation plus survival could build an eye. Physics went even further. Newton, then Laplace, imagined a clockwork universe where every particle follows fixed laws. No purpose needed, just equations turning like gears. But randomness has its own strange story. Quantum mechanics showed that at the smallest scales, particles do not follow neat paths. They behave in probabilities, not certainties. So the universe seems to run on both rules and chance. Laws set the stage, but randomness plays the actors. From this mix, stars, planets, and life somehow emerged. Here comes the puzzle called fine-tuning. Change gravity or the strength of the strong force just a little, and no stars form, no atoms hold together, and no life ever appears. Some say this points to purpose. The universe looks tuned for us. Others answer with the multiverse. Countless universes where only the lucky ones with the right numbers contain observers. Now zoom into life on Earth. Evolution has no goal, biologists insist. There is no ladder climbing toward humans, only a branching bush of species trying to survive. Yet many people feel their own life has purpose. They fall in love, raise children, build cities, and chase meaning. Purpose feels real from the inside, even if physics does not require it. Philosophers split this into two kinds of purpose. Cosmic purpose asks if the universe itself has a goal. Personal purpose asks what goal you choose to live for. Existentialists like Sartre said the universe is silent. There's no built-in meaning. But that silence gives you freedom. You are condemned to invent your own purpose. Religious traditions push back hard. They see purpose woven into creation. A designer, a plan, a moral order. Human life is a chapter in a larger story, with meaning behind every page. Modern science offers a middle path. Purpose is not written in the stars, but it emerges in living systems. Cells seek nutrients, animals seek mates, minds seek understanding. So maybe the real question is not, does the universe have purpose? Maybe it is, how does purpose show up inside a universe that does not obviously need it? Both sides teach us something. Randomness explains how the pieces got here. Teleology explains why we care about the pieces. Together, they describe a cosmos that is strange, open, and alive with meaning. You do not have to pick a final side today. You can hold the tension. Read the physics, read the philosophy, watch the stars, and let the question sharpen how you actually live. So, does the universe have purpose, or is it all randomness? Perhaps both threads are woven into the same fabric. Your job is not to solve it. Your job is to keep asking with honest eyes.